Greetings, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. So, today, this is my English literature class, and I will be discussing with you the poem Abou Ben Adhem, written by Leigh Hunt. So, I will be discussing the question answers to let you know how you should be preparing for writing your textual words. Now, as you know, the whole poem deals with an angel who comes to Abou Ben Adhem. So the very first question is, who is an angel, or whom do you call an angel? So angels are superhuman, or we can say heavenly beings who serve as God messengers. They are usually depicted as having a shape of human being with extraordinary beauty, and they can be identified with the symbols like they use birds wings, halos, and the light. You know what is a halo is the round circle of light which appears at the back of every heavenly being. You see that round shape at the back of every god's image. So that is how we can explain what an angel is. Question number 2. What is the source of the poem? Well, the source of the poem basically refers to Ibrahim ibn Adhem. Ibrahim ibn Ibn Adhem, Adham, who was believed to be born into an Arab community of Balkh, Balkh, that is modern Afghanistan. He was a prince, but he renounced the world and became a Sufi saint. So the poet seems to be inspired from him to write this poem. Question number 3. What form of a poem is it? Well, this poem can be characterized as a fable or a parable, since both of them mean the same. That means it is a poem with a moral, which teaches us a moral lesson. Next, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Well, this poem consists of 18 lines. And the basic rhyme scheme followed in the whole poem is A, B, B, C, C. Right? So question number 4, referring to the poem now. Who is Abou Ben Adhem? Why does the poet say, may his tribe increase? Now, Abou Ben Adhem is a saintly person. He is a pious man, a holy man who lived long, long years ago. The poet uses the words, may his tribe increase, to say that people like Abou Ben Adhem should be more and more in this society who could spread goodness and kindness in the society. Question number 5. What is Abou's sleep referred to? What does it mean? Well, Abou's sleep is referred to a deep dream of peace. That is the textual word. And what does it mean? It means that Abou Ben Adhem was having a peaceful sleep. Why? Because he was a pious and a holy man. He did not do anything wrong. Next question. Describe the room where the angel appeared. Now, the room was brightened up like a moonlit night. Number 1, moonlight night means there was a halo around the angel's face. Number 2, the room had so much of brightness, and the arrival of the angel is compared to the lily in the bloom. And number 3, the angel was writing something in the golden book. That is how the arrival of the angel has been described. Next question. What does the book of gold signify? There is a line written, no? An angel writing in a book of gold. So what does the book of gold signify? Well, gold is a metal that is everlasting. So the book of gold signifies a record for eternity, in which the angel is writing the record for all the human beings, and it will last forever. Next, why does Abou Ben Adhem wake up from his sleep? Now, Abou Ben Adhem wakes up from his sleep. Normally, you will write because an angel appeared. No, but before that, you have to write he woke up from his sleep because he could experience a great awakening light or a moonlight in his room, which brightened up his room. And there he saw the presence of the angel. Next, mention the figure of the speech in these lines, like a lily in bloom, I'm referring to. So the expression like a lily in a bloom is a simile. You know what is a simile? Simile is the direct comparison. The angel is writing in the book of gold, and here the angel's arrival in the room, showing the freshness and splendor on the face of the angel who was writing in the book of gold, is compared to a lily in a bloom, when the flower lily blooms. Next question. What phrase does the poet use to express the presence of the angel? The phrase used by the poet is exceeding peace, which shows the presence of the angel. What does it reveal? It reveals that there was complete silence and peace in the room. Yes, I needed specs now. Next question. What made Abu bold to speak? Well, the textual work answer is exceeding peace had made Ben Adhem bold. So, exceeding peace made Abou Ben Adhem bold to speak. Next question. What does vision and presence, these two words, mean? Or whom does it refer to? Why does it raise its head? Well, vision and presence, both the words refer to the angel. And why did it raise its head? It means the angel. The angel raised its head because at that time it was busy writing something in the book of gold, and Abou Ben Adhem asked him a question. So when Abu asked him a question, he lifted his head so that he could listen and talk to Abou Ben Adhem. Right? Next question. What did Abu ask? Abu asked the angel what he was writing in the book of gold. Question number 12. What does with a look made of all sweet accord mean? There is a line. The vision raised its head and with a look made of all sweet accord. So what does this line mean? This line means that the face of the angel reflected all the sweetness, all the kindness. And this sweetness and kindness made Abou Ben Adhem bold enough to ask him the question. Next question. Who asked the question to the angel? What was the question? What was the angel's answer? Who asked the question? Abou Ben Adhem asked the question to the angel. What was the question? The question was that what was the angel writing in the book of gold? And what was the angel's reply? The angel answered that he was writing the names of the people who loved God. List number 1. So name the figure of speech in the line. Answer the names of those who love the Lord. The figure of speech used in this line is alliteration, where the word L has been repeated. Love, lot. Next. What was the angel's answer? Yes, the angel answered that he was writing the names of those people who love the God. Next question. What did Abu ask further? Because he got a reply that he is writing the names of the people who love the Lord. What did Abu ask further? Abu asked further whether his name was written in that list or not. And what was the answer he got? He got the answer in negative. Abu replied that yeah and no, his name was not written in the very first list. Next question. What does "and is mine one" mean? And is mine one, said Abu. What does here "and is mine one" mean? It means that Abu is asking the angel whether his name is written in that list or not. Next question. What does "nay, not so" mean? Nay, not so is a reply of the angel. It means that Abu's name is not written in that list. Next question. How did Abu react at that time when he came to know that his name is not written in the list? So Abu was a little disappointed. But that is not a textual word. In textual word, you have to write the answer that Abu spoke more low but cheerily still. These are the two textual phrases. More low and but cheerily still. And he asked him and he requested him further. Right? Next question. What is the request of Abu? So Abu requested the angel to write his name in another list which includes the names of the people who love God's humanity, who loves his fellow human beings. Why does Abu ask to write his name as one who loves his fellow beings? Now Abu requested him to write his name in the second list who loves his fellow beings because he feels that the love of humanity is equal to the love of God. He was so sure, so positive that if he loves humanity, God will certainly love him. Next question. What did the angel write? Well, we presume that the angel wrote Abu's name in the list who love God's fellow human beings. Where is he now? He stands for the angel. Where is the angel right now? The angel is in Abu's room. What time of the day is it? It is the night time. What did he do soon after writing Abu's name in the list? Soon after writing Abu's name in the list, he vanished or disappeared. The textual word is vanished. He went away from there. Next. What does "it" stand for in the line? It came again with a great awakening light. Here it again stands for the angel. When and where and how did it appear? It appeared in the night again and next night in the room of Abou Ben Adhem. How? With a great awakening light. Next question. What does the great awakening light signify? Well, the great awakening light signifies a state in which one achieves awareness with God. It appears as the person has got enlightenment from God. Next question. And lo, Ben Adhem's name led all the rest. What does the expression "and lo" means? And lo means an expression of surprise. Abou Ben Adhem was surprised to see his name on the top of the list. Next, what does Ben Adhem's name led all the rest mean? The line says, and lo, Ben Adhem's name led all the rest. It means that Abou Ben Adhem's name was written on the top of that list. Which list? That list where God had blessed the people. And the first person to be blessed by God was Abou Ben Adhem. And Ben Adhem's name led all the rest. Rest means the names of the other people in that list were below Abou Ben Adhem's name. Right? Next. So I think the poem was simple, short enough, and you have comprehended it. So another question, what old English words are used in the poem? The poet has used few old English words like writest, which means writing. Though, thou, that means you. Nay, nay, that means no. The, thee, Shakespearean English, you understand these words. Blessed, blest, that means blessed. blessed. Then, what is the message of the poem? The poem teaches us that we should be helpful, loving, caring, and kind to humanity. If we love humanity, God will automatically bless us, love us, reward us. This also means that if we hate human beings on this earth, God will not be loving us. We would not be rewarded. And the last question, question number 25 or maybe 26. What is the theme of the poem? Well, the theme of the poem is number 1, love for humanity. We should love all human beings. Number 2, true devotion to God. If we want to show true devotion to God, we should love humanity. And number 3, supernatural elements. The poem has an existence of supernatural elements since angels fall under this category. So I hope all the questions are clear to you. The poem was short enough, but my advice to you again is to write the answers in the textual words. Goodbye.